Hey, I'm Steve Rashevsky. I am the founder and CEO of Arizona East Valley Mustang Club, and we are here today on November 21st, 2020, and we're doing our Purple Passion Mustang show. We had 100 Mustangs registered, but I think we wound up about 94 Mustangs, all kinds of years and classes. We're really happy about it. We're here in Mesa, Arizona at Impact Auto Body. They graciously are one of our sponsors and let us use their parking lot for our event that we did today. It was a major success. I can't tell you, it looks like they raised a lot of money in the 50-50. We had a raffle going where the prizes were more. We also had a young gentleman named Gavin Terrell who came and played guitar and sang, 13 years old, and it's amazing. We had the Mesa Police Department here. We had multiple vendors. We had a food truck line of different food trucks that were here. And we were just so super excited how many people turned out, especially the way things are today. People still came out and wanted to support Alzheimer's. Steve and Amy, I met through Facebook, and they've joined our club. And Steve cares for his wife Amy, who has Alzheimer's, and she's a wonderful woman, and he's a great guy. And I just wanted to call them up to get them recognized and give them their award, their medals, to show them how much we love them and how much we have their back. So thank you so much. Especially want to thank everybody for coming out. There's 4 or 5 different car clubs that we had come out here today to support us. I want to thank all the vendors, the sponsors, and what a wonderful day it was. Just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and that's about it. Thank you.